They keep on telling me this is fake. I am brave, man, that's what I say to myself. Cause I'm making these waves and I'm making it happen. I'm up on this line, yeah, up on this line. I've been mentally drained, cause I've been losing my sleep. Gonna stay on the way, while you just
Definitely cold. That's broken. But today I'm going to grab my first BMW. At least going to look at my first BMW. In this wild car market economy we have right now, it's actually kind of difficult to buy anything, even from auction. I'm having a lot of troubles, but this one I think I'm nabbing for like $800. So we'll see what we get. BMW $800 at the end of 2021 when prices have skyrocketed. So we'll see what we get up to.
Суммы нули погибают на сцене. Снова один, прогуляюсь без тени. Заливаю лик, поцелуй на шее. Как дамба, правда назад, черный каскад. Вижу твой взгляд, стерлинга горят. Мог тебя взять, но ты не моя. Так дайте пацана посчитать потери. Суммы нули погибают на сцене. Снова один, прогуляюсь без тени. Заливаю лик, поцелуй на шее. Как дамба, правда назад, черный каскад. Вижу твой взгляд, стерлинга горят. Мог тебя взять, но ты не моя.
So obviously by that video, it is an e39 5 Series. Weirdly, these lights came back on, but when I was just driving it, the speedo was working again and the trip meter. The whole issue with this car was the speedo, the trip meter, and the odometer stopped working. So now I got them back to work. This car now is clean. When I got it, it was, not to speak on the previous owner, but it was rough. But while cleaning it, I found these really cool rings. It looks like a topaz ring. And then, you know, just the whole spoon bent into a ring type of deal. But I might cash this in for about $500,000, boy. That's pretty cool though. Like a vintage little rings. So, but 100,000 miles on it. The accurate mileage was like 107,000. I gotta get that working. I mean, runs great, no engine light. Very luxurious car. Oh, let you see my coin purse. So far, I've drove it for about 2 days and I am in love with it, actually. Great daily. Driving home from work and I realized I don't think I ever made an outro. Bro, what the go? I don't think I ever made an outro for the BMW video, so I'm going to do that now. Honestly, the only problem is the wheel speed sensor, which has got all these dash lights on and stuff. Other than that, it's been a fantastic car. I've been dailying it for 2 to 3 weeks now. I can't remember when I got it. I can see why people like BMWs. It's a little older than what I wanted, and it doesn't pack the power that I wanted, so I think I'm gonna look into like trading it for another BMW. But for the people who watch the channel for the Nissan stuff, the Z is getting a new engine built right now. I'm not gonna say what it is, but it's gonna be different. I don't think anybody with a Z would have seen this, or anybody who likes Z's. It really is different. But yeah, like, share, subscribe, comment, email, do whatever. I'll see y'all in the next one.